starting at Prodigy 4.3.0, you can import or export your documents directly from Prodigy. I would like to show you how to connect an external USB to your tablet and then import a document from that USB. You need to go outside into Android to configure your tablet so that it accepts external USB. Press and hold four or five finger on your screen to go out into Android. Select the little icon, the white icon with 6 black dots at the bottom of the screen. This will bring you to all the applications that are installed on the tablet. Scroll and find the settings application. In this window, search for USB. Once you found it, click on it, and this is the window that you will see. Now, it is said on the screen, USB is connected to the computer. And on the right-hand side, there's a little toggle to disable or enable that option. Press on that little toggle. The text will change to USB is not connected to the computer. Once that's done, you can go back into Prodigy. By tapping on the Prodigy icon. Once back in Prodigy, you can insert your USB inside the USB port, go into Gallery, and then tap on the Settings menu, which is the button on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll to Import, tap on Export on Import. You will have two options in this window, internal storage or mass storage. Your mass storage is the storage on your USB, and your internal storage is the storage on your tablet. Tap on mass storage. A window will pop up from Android asking you to select the right drive. Select USB drive, which is most probably the last drive that you see on the left-hand side of that window. Once it's selected, press the select option, which is at the bottom right corner of that window. Prodigy will show you what is on your external storage. I have a couple of PDFs on this drive. If I scroll to one, tap on that PDF, I'm going to tap on po2.pdf. Prodigy will start loading the document and converting it to my gallery. Once the conversion is done, you will be brought to your gallery at where the PDF was uploaded. In my case, Po2 folder. So I can tap on my folder, and this is the book I have imported into Prodigy. You can do the same to export a document. Let's say I want to export my first page of this Po book. Press and hold on my page. An action menu will appear. You can scroll to the bottom, and there is an export option. Tap on export. And again, since I did not disconnect my USB, I should be able to find my USB mass storage in one of the windows. I will export it as a PDF. And here is the window where it says internal storage and mass storage. Select mass storage. And since we have already selected which storage to export or import at the beginning, it will bring you to the USB drive to export at that location. So if this is where I want to export, just tap on the paper airplane on the top right corner of the screen. Once it's done, Prodigy will tell you where it has stored the document, and that is where you will find your document on your thumb drive. Thank you for listening.